How to scan document on iPhone and save as PDF. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all the notes in this folder. If you want to create a new note, then tap on the New Note icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, go to the keyboard and tap on the attachment icon. Select Scan Documents. Position the document in view on this screen and then tap on the Capture button to scan it. Once you're done, tap on Keep Scan below. Then, tap on Save. Here, go to the top and tap on the downwards arrow. Select Share. From here, tap on Save to Files. Select the folder you want to save the file to and then tap on Save. Following these steps, you can easily scan document on iPhone and save as PDF. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.